Hey pros, so get ready with me to start my day. Of course your girl did a hair color, but my hair, I washed it and conditioned it and just kind of let it air dry. So I said today I'm going to be putting on one of our newest units, but first let me go ahead and get myself prepared for work. So I put on my Elite Hair Care shirt. You guys know that I'm a super Tory Burch fan, so I put on my Tory Burch earrings. And then I found this BB bracelet over at DD Discount for $6.99. So I said, since I'm going to be putting on my new unit, I said, let me go ahead and put a little bit of makeup on. So I'm starting out with a little bit of primer. This is a primer that I got from MAC. You can use whatever primer works for you. And then I'm also using a Bear With Me from NYX, along with just a traditional foundation brush to spread it out. Because I know that my unit has bangs, I don't actually put makeup on my forehead. I prefer to just skip that part in complete time because I know that I'll end up sweating. Now the mascara that I'm using, this is from Makeup Forever, where it is a step 1 and step 2 mascara. And then I'm using the All Nighter from Urban Decay. And of course your girl is going to put on her Tory Burch slippers. So because I know that I'm putting on our newest unit, I wanted to put on a cap. Now the cap of course is not my hair color, so I did put a little bit of makeup on it. And then this is a 10-inch bob unit, but the texture of the hair is a little more yucky texture. I didn't want my bob to be too silky or too smooth. I wanted it to have a little bit of texture to it, which is another reason why I absolutely love this unit. We are gonna call her Goldie. Okay, Goldie. All right. Now I'm using one of our newest tools from our Elite Hair Care collection. That is our 14 karat wavy comb. And then I'm just using a flat iron to straighten out my unit. Now this unit is a glueless unit, you guys. No customization needed other than you curling it to make it as straight or as curly as you want. And then of course you are welcome to cut the bangs if you see fit to make them a little bit shorter. I personally like longer bangs, and I wanted you guys to see how well it is able to go behind the ear and still look beautiful, yet at the same time nice and lightweight. Now I'm also using our Edge Brush Duo, which is the comb and the brush, but I'm using it just to kind of comb through my hair, which it worked out perfectly. And I decided to leave a couple strands out on the side just because I wanted you guys to see what it looks like if I was to push it behind my ear. Now to finish off today's Get Ready With Me, I put on a little bit of my Sephora lip gloss. You guys know I am a super fan of these lip glosses. And then I am also going to layer it with Not Today. So the Not Today lip gloss is one of those where I always layer it on top of my lip plumpers because they make my lips nice and shiny, and I like my lips to be nice and popping. That's just my choice. You don't have to do that should you not choose to. Now for those of you who are asking, is this unit available on our website? Absolutely it is. If you go to our hair tools and extensions tab, you will be able to find our new Goldie unit in there. And then I am also using some of our newest LEPUR scents, which this fragrance oil that I'm using is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. And then for my actual fragrances, I'm using my super scent, which this is Hermes. And then I'm also using the Tory Burch as a layer. Now, I can tell you guys, I smell good all day long. People were like, oh my gosh, what is that? What are you wearing? And in my mind, I'm like, I'm wearing LEPUR, and it cost me a quarter of what it cost you. Anyway, you guys, go check out our newest unit and shop for LEPUR scents all on our website.